I got it. You want to see what I got? A package. I got a package sent to me by Bostanten, or pronounced Bostanten. Let me know. And I'm really excited. So we're going to do a little review today. Easy peasy, very simple. And I'm really excited because I've been seeing social media ads for this bag. So when they reached out to me, it was like, oh, can we send you a bag? I was like, yes, I already know what color I want. So I haven't opened it yet, and I figured why not make this video and open it with you guys and do a little review. So opening it right now. This is a Briefcase tote bag made of genuine leather. Now, I used to like work in an office when I did social media, but then when I started working remote, I was like, oh, I feel like I don't have a need for a briefcase or anything like that. But I still have like business meetings with companies and stuff like that. Sometimes, you know, when I catch a flight, I just want to have my suitcase and like a little briefcase or something, you know, or when I go to a cafe with my friends and we're doing things, I want something a little bit more, you know, aesthetic. I don't want to bring my backpack with me wherever I go, especially when my outfit is cute. You know what I'm saying? So, opening this bag. Oh, I got the brown one. So it comes in different colors. I was going to get the black, but when I saw the brown one, I knew I had to have it. I knew I had to have it. Oh, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Oh, I'm obsessed. Usually I wait, when I have a bag, I wait till I like go outside to take these off, but I'm not waiting. I'm like, let's take them off right now. Okay. This bag. Now I'm going to give you an honest review. I'm going to look through it, see everything that it has. Okay. So it has the name right there. Well, it's very soft. It's a good size bag. This is about the same size as like my typical backpack. I usually go to a backpack because I can put it on my back. It doesn't hurt my shoulder and it fits my laptop and everything. But let's see what this looks like on the shoulder. Next weekend, me and the girls are going to a really cute cafe to work on content and with our laptops and everything. But sometimes we get brunch before. So this is what I need. And what I love about this bag is you can place it on the table. I don't put my bag on the ground. I don't know about you. I either put it on the counter or I put it on the chair next to me, and it's not going to fall over because it has these little things on the bottom. Oh, I love that. Okay. So I want to see what all these compartments are inside. Okay. So it has an additional strap that you can use. Let me take that off. Looks like you can wear this as, you know, just a handbag like this, or a shoulder like this. Okay. It has something right there and right there. So I'm going to go ahead and clip it on. Ooh. Okay. Or a crossbody. Oh, wait a minute. I think this is my favorite way to wear it. And you can adjust it. Like, I can make this way shorter, obviously, with all these other options. I still have like three other holes there. Oh, this is fun. It's so cute. Okay, let's look at the inside. The inside, oh, I love this color. I love that they kept it light and didn't just go black. So it can fit all the things. It's a briefcase. So I'm assuming, yep, right there would be where your laptop goes. Take that out of there. And I like to put things like my chargers, batteries. I like to treat this part almost like a purse, and this part for like planner and stuff. And I love that this is genuine leather. So cute. So in the bag, I'm going to put my laptop. Let's see. They say you can fit up to 15-inch laptop. Putting my laptop in there. I always have a very thick planner. So let's put, let me take that out. Put a planner in there. What else do I put? And then these three things. I always put my selfie light. I'm gonna put that in one of the little compartments. My selfie stick I always have with me. I'll put that in the other compartment. And then my sunglasses. Oh, that's cute. Oh, and it has another zipper. Ooh, that's cute. Actually, maybe I'll put this in there. I don't know. You want to see? I just love that everything has a zipper, pretty much, so nothing's falling out. Like, zip it all closed. Oh, I love this. And more zippers in the back. I don't know, what would I put back here? I'd probably put something I need to grab fast. Like if I'm traveling for work or something, I'd probably put like, you know, whatever I need to grab real fast in there. And this is what it looks like closed. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, well, I'm sold. This is the new bag I got. If you want to know about it, I'll put the details in the description box below. If you have any questions, let me know, but that's it. I think it's so cute. I love the multicolor. So no matter what color you get, when I was looking online, whether you get the black, the cream, they have a blue, they all aren't just one shade. And that's what I like about this. It gives it a little bit of personality, right? Oh, this is so cute. Even though it's brown, black, and beige, like it gives the vibe of these tones that go, honestly, with the majority of my outfits. This is so much fun. Okay, well, that's it for the video. I just wanted to show you the new bag I got. Thanks, Bostanten or Bostanten, for sending me this bag. It's so cute.